last night. When I woke up, I remembered it, but just a moment ago, it's gone.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. The coffee overflowed.
We're on the trailer.
Almost fell asleep on
Going kind of slow.
Down at the display. Third meeting of the day.
Let's go. Yeah, let's get out of here. That's so awesome. That was so therapeutic.
It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I could stay inside and step away inside.
Last here, towards the end, or like middle. Is it the two cats? A little. Right. Did you get scared?
Do we cheers with coffee?
No. That's really good.
No. We haven't had iced coffee in a while.
In a fat minute.
Tastes good. With the views and everything.
We should. I feel like it's not friendly.
Claire, you're gonna get bitten.
I don't care. Stay away.
That sounds like, give me your phone. Claire.
Turn.
Claire. Act like you're a widowed woman looking out.
What the fuck? You don't look like a widow at all. Like you're looking for lizards. Imagine the walk we have to do.
Yeah.
That's terrible. Oh my god. Can we borrow everything?
Wow.
Look at that. What?
It's okay, stop gasping like that.
Where?
It's a scene
It's
of
a cut
a
on the side.
crime.
It's right there.
It's a tiny side.
Oh, show me. Oh,
Look
it's
at
a
the
tiny
blood on
cut.
here.
Crayon yellow.
Crayon red. Can I use your towel, Claire?
Why?
Because
Then where am I supposed to
sit on this
sit?
big one so we could both sit. Everything's so sticky with salt. Oh, I forgot about this.
This is one thing I don't like about beaches.
But I don't like shit about
swimming in lakes.
yeah, or not lakes,
Rivers.
seas, oceans. What's the Little Mermaid song? Look at these things.
And you go pick up something and sing about it.
Look at these things. You should go sit on that rock and sing that.
What the heck? Go ahead.
You know, go. It's eating rocks. I'm concerned.
Well, there's probably something in the rock.
So cute. They're so athletic.
It's having a hard time going up. It doesn't know how to jump up.
Please jump up.
No, it's not there.
Wow.
Ice. But this is I kind of like it. Yeah.
And I have some of my hand sanitizer in my bag, please.
Do we get to eat these fruits? I drank all of them.
No way. That's a scam.
That was the best thing I ate today.
The Sprite.
That was literally just right. Is this supposed to be that saucy?
I'm like, why is it so liquidy?
Very oily. I'm excited for margarita.
This basil one was pretty good.
I'm full.
Should we just take a bite? Start that before we get too full.
Okay.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
But what if that one's so good you don't want to eat this anymore?
That's too early.
I'd rather eat the yummy one.
That's true. Let's eat it.
Yeah, let's eat it.
I don't want the basil.
You
guys want the basil?
I'll take
You take it.
You guys were like fiending for basil earlier at the carbonara.
You could tell.
Yeah. The cheese is cold.
What? We should have had this one first, maybe.
we should have had this one first.
Right?
How can something that's just like bread and like just like tomato sauce be so good?
Actually. And how can it sometimes be so bad?
Mozzarella's good.
It is.
It tastes like different than normal mozzarella.
It tastes
Like more goat cheese vibe.
Hmm?
Was it just me?
It is more milky.
Right.
I think I like margarita.
That's good.
I'm a margarita girl.
I was getting in there.
I'm so full.
Grazie.
Nada.
De nada.
Whatever. I don't know how to say it. You're welcome. In the Spanish.
Danke, that's thank you.
That is
Sounded
not
so
true
gross.
English. Donkey. This is not.
Someone cheers with me.
I thought I added some.
Did you smell it? Then you'll know.
Stop adding more if you don't know.
Oopsie.
It's kinda good.
That's pretty good.
This is what that lemon thing should have
Yeah,
tasted
I know.
like.
That's what I expected too.
I got Sprite.
Like non-alcoholic. You just wanted the lemon container.
Oh, there's not that much.
Here, I'll do the rest with orange.
I'm so full.
Right? Alone.
I didn't think it was gonna taste like
Yeah, it's
that.
really strong.
So bad, I don't want to take a shower now. Okay, I'm gonna take it first then. No, I take shower first. You go first. How about we play rock paper? No. Since we know how the system works now. No. Then hurry up, because I want to take a shower. Okay. If you don't in the next 1 minute, I'm gonna take it. Stop it! Give me 2. Give me 3. If you don't, you want me to drink this or take a shower? Drink it. And you have to do both. Exactly. Give me like 10 minutes.